In this video tutorial, I will teach you how you can crop your image in Circle. You can apply this tutorial in any of the version of Photoshop. It's very easy and simple. So let's begin. First of all, open the image you want to edit and make sure that the image is unlocked. To verify that, you can go under Layers and you can find this lock button. Click on that, the image will be unlocked. Now, on the left side bar, you can see option of rectangular murky tool. When you right click on this, you will be able to see elliptical murky tool as well. You need to select that. Now, move your cursor over the image and first press Shift, then left click and drag the ellipse according to your image or the part of the image you want to select. If it's not correct, don't worry, we can reposition this ellipse. Now you can click inside the circle and move it according to the selection. Now you can click on the mask button, then unlink the mask and the image through this link button. Now if you press V, you can also reposition the image and the part of the image you want to choose. Once you perfectly selected the image, go to Image, then click Trim. Make sure the transparent pixel is selected and also all of the section, which includes top, bottom, left, right, is selected. Click OK. The image will be perfectly cropped. Now finally, go to File, then click Save As and make sure to select PNG format, which is a transparent format. You can also rename the image. Now click Save. Click OK. Your image will be saved as circular image and you can use it anywhere on the social media or your website. We can verify the result by checking out the image here. You can see the image is perfectly cropped in circle image. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe this channel.